Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing for March and I've got Look Fantastic and this is what the box looks like. So as always, if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this box, I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. All details and links and discount codes and everything related to this box and anything else going on Look Fantastic, I'll also pop down below as well. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box and it ships worldwide. In the UK it costs £15 and that includes shipping. Inside you get 6 beauty items. Sometimes we get added extras like freebies like samples or even chocolate bars and things like that, but month to month it is 6. Inside the box you get a mix of beauty products, so it's skincare, makeup, hair care, nail care, and also you get some tools as well like makeup brushes and makeup sponges. I would say that this box leans more towards the skincare heavy side. I've been with Look Fantastic for over 2 years. I subscribe to it. I've now got a 12-month subscription because it brings down my cost to £13 a month. That's right, I had to think then. £13 instead of £15. But also I get given these boxes as PR, so I wanted to keep my subscription running because I use those boxes to give away to you lot, which if you're interested in winning February's Look Fantastic box, watch until the end where I'll be telling you all about it and how you can enter. So yeah, so I keep my subscription running for giveaways but also to give as gifts for my friends and family. So this is a PR box and that is why I'm receiving it a little bit early, just to show you and tell you all about it on my channel. So as well as monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel anytime, they do offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. I think that's it as far as information goes. If I missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. So yeah, so let's get on to unboxing the March box. So inside the box you get a little booklet and in here tells you everything about the products inside the box, so I'm able to refer to it as we go along, and it also gives you the price as well, so I'm able to tot it up and tell you at the end. Now on the back here, yes, it's got a sneak peek for next month, so it's next month's sneak peek if you were to get a April box. Oh my gosh, this year is going so fast. April's sneak peek is, oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. It's a Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's worth £28, £28.99. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yeah. So everyone that subscribes to Look Fantastic will receive that in their April box. So we used to have an Elle magazine subscription in our boxes as well, but they stopped doing that last month. When I unboxed it on my channel, I was a bit shocked. I thought, oh no, they've forgotten it, they haven't sent it to me. But no, we later found out that they decided to stop it because you lot had been telling them that it's a waste because a lot of us just end up chucking it in the bin, or we flick through it and then we just get rid of it. So at the start of the month, Look Fantastic decided to be more eco-friendly. So all their boxes are now recyclable, and yeah, unfortunately that magazine is no longer. I haven't opened it up yet. I haven't got a clue what's inside. I don't get press releases or anything, so I don't know what's inside, and I don't like looking at spoilers. Ooh, got some hair vitamins. Right, hold on. Oh, how many have we got? Oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 7 products. 7 products this month. I'll just show you quickly. So the theme for this month's box is unconstricted. Filled with 6 expertly curated products to help you feel the best version of yourself. In this month's beauty box edit, we're focusing on collaboration and inclusion in all forms. From inspiring quotes to some of the biggest names in beauty world, to product recommendations from some well-known beauty box lovers. Plus, with International Women's Day taking place on the 8th of March, we are encouraging our subscribers to feel strong and united. Standing together, we can achieve so much more. But guess who's in the magazine this month? Oh, look! It's me! And there's a few other beauty lovers as well. I got asked a little while ago what my favourite beauty products was and if I want to be featured in the magazine. So I thought, yeah. So I won't tell you what I said. I won't tell you. Well, you can probably tell there by the picture, but no, you'll have to read this to find out what I said. But no, that's so cool. Something to keep, isn't it, for me? Featured in a magazine. Oh, before I begin, I just want to say that Look Fantastic have come out with a limited edition box and it's with Estee Lauder. Now the box contains 6 of their best-selling products and it has a value of around £120. It can be bought on site now for £44 if you're a subscriber or £49 if you're a non-subscriber. I'll just pop a picture of what the box looks like here, but all details and everything I'll pop down below. So yeah, so let's get on to getting the first item off the box. Got a product by Madara, and this is Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. I wonder if this was the sneak peek from last month. I can't remember. I've got a brain like a flipping sieve. I can't remember. I'm sure it's a sneak peek. So it's an eye cream for all skin types, cellular, biocomplex, physio moisturizers, and it's 15 mils here. So that's what the outer packaging looks like. I've got to be careful with the type of eye creams I use because I have been using like a vitamin C one, which is amazing, but I've noticed that it's sort of lightened a little bit of this area here, so when I'm doing my bronzer I have to bring it up a little bit to blend it in. I'm sure it's the eye cream because that's the only thing I can think that I've used, which is a pain, but never mind. So I've never tried this one. I know I'm not going to notice much on my hand, but I just wanted to see what it's like. So yeah, just a nice eye cream. You only need a tiny bit, so something this size would last you a long while. But no, that feels nice actually. It's not too sticky or anything that's absorbing into my hand well. So let's see what it says in the book. So this is worth £35. This eye cream targets signs of tiredness and aging, as well as tackling fine lines and wrinkles. Its soothing formula hydrates the eye area to reveal more radiant looking and younger skin. And it just says apply morning and night around the eye area to freshly cleanse skin. So yeah, so we got an eye cream. Next we've got some hair vitamins, and these are by Hair Burst, and they're chewable hair vitamins. There's a 15-day supply here, there's 30 inside, so it's 2 a day, and it's food supplement containing biotin, selenium and zinc. I'm sure I have tried these before somewhere, maybe in a bottle. I think maybe in a little tub. Some of these I can't have because of medication I'm on. I'm on spironolactone to combat my PCOS, and I'm on T3 medication for my thyroid, and I know some supplements I've got to be careful what I take, but I do take a load of supplements and I do like taking them, and especially when it's for your hair and things, anything to help. I wear a halo hair extension. My natural hair is quite fine, so yeah. I also say them. It says here this 15-day supply is a great starter pack for anyone who wants to begin a new healthy hair routine. These smaller size packs are also great for those who travel. Okay, let's see what they look like inside. Ooh. So that's what it looks like there. To buy this 15-day pack, it will cost you £12.49. It says here, start your journey to healthy, luscious locks with these Hair Burst hair care vitamins, which combat effects of heat, styling, colouring and ageing. Taken regularly, research shows that 98% of users notice faster hair growth. Take 2 capsules per day for best results, ideally both together in the morning before eating. So that's the second item in the box. Next we've got a product by Rowdly, and this is Bee Venom Cleansing Balm. Oh my gosh. Right, this is 20 ml. I love this brand. I had a box, I think it was from Look Fantastic a couple of months ago. It's the Rowdly vitamin C range. Oh my gosh, my skin felt amazing, absolutely amazing. I wish I could have bought another box so that I'd still have it going. I've still got the eye cream, which is the vitamin C cream I've been using, which I'm sure is causing a little bit of lightness underneath my eyes, but oh, I love it, absolutely love it. So no, Bee Venom. I've heard other brands using like Bee Venom in their products, but I haven't tried this one. So what's it say about it? So this 20 ml size is worth £13. An anti-aging wonder ingredient that smooths your complexion, plumps fine lines and decongests your skin of any dirt and impurities. Massage a coin-sized amount onto dry face, then splash with a small amount of warm water to emulsify and allow the balm to transform into a milky cleanser and rinse. I can't wait to try that. I love cleansers, absolutely love them, and it doesn't matter how many I get because I go through them all. So there's that. So next we've got a product by Rituals, and this is the Ritual of Ayurveda. I think that's how you say it. Nurturing shower oil, Indian rose and sweet almond, and 75 mils there. Now I've had this before and this is gorgeous. To be honest, I don't think I've ever received anything from the Rituals that I don't like and I've passed on. I absolutely love this brand. Real proper treat brand for me. Oh, I just love it. I love their body creams. The smells are gorgeous. Now I'm not a rose loving person. I don't like the rose smell, but no, this one's nice. It is really nice. It's just an oil, but it's lovely. It is really nice. So this size is worth £4.90. Just says this oil will leave your skin feeling soft and your mind at ease. And it says pour a few drops into your palm and massage all over your body in circular motions. Upon contact with water, this oil changes to a luxurious foam, leaving you feeling clean, refreshed and smelling delicious. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Grow Gorgeous and Intelligent Hair Care. This is Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask, and we've got 30 mils here, and I've got some powder, got some pink powder on it. Where am I getting that from? How weird, there's nothing in there with pink powder, look. Can you see? Maybe not. It's like, I don't know, like a pink eyeshadow maybe? Anyway, so this is a strengthening hair and scalp mask. So that's what it looks like there. So this 30ml size is worth £3.75. Get visibly thicker and more nourished hair with this unique mask from Grow Gorgeous. Formulated with caffeine to stimulate your roots, oat lipids to lock in moisture, and hyaluronic acids for that silky soft finish. Apply to damp hair, massage your product into your scalp and smoothing through to the lengths of your hair. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So you got a hair mask. Then I've got an item in this box which doesn't feature in the booklet at all. And it's a Kiss Proof Lip Cream by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. And this too has got pink stuff on it as well. Not a lot of it. Can you see there? Hold on. Can you see on my fingertip there? What on earth is that pink stuff? How bizarre. But this is bizarre. It's not in the booklet, and yeah, and it says in the booklet, isn't it, that we got 6 items this month, so maybe there was a mistake. Maybe they put it in there, I don't know, by mistake. I haven't got a clue, but if any of you get this lipstick in your box, please let me know down below. Yeah, I've had this before and it is lovely. It is really, really nice. It's a gorgeous nude colour, really pretty. There, can you see? Just a bit baffled. So there's that. And lastly, I've got a little sample here from Elizabeth Arden, and this is a Superstart Skin Renewal Booster, and this is 5 mils, so it's teeny tiny. So this 5ml little sample here is worth £7.50. Designed to restore your skin's natural ability to repair and renew, this Elizabeth Arden Skin Booster is the perfect addition to your skincare routine. Its fusion of super ingredients have resulted in over 90% of women agreeing that it helped their skin look less damaged and irritated. Apply just 1 pump onto freshly cleansed face before applying serum or moisturiser. Oh right, okay. I haven't tried that before. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up and then I'll come back to you. So these are all the products inside March's Look Fantastic box. Now there's 6 products in all. I know I've got the Bella Pierre lipstick, but I'm not counting that. There's no information about it and I think that might be a surprise. Or it could be an added freebie. Who knows? But I'm just going to talk about these. So the cost of the box is £15. The value is over £70. I think, see my, I think it's 78. I'll pop down the value down below, so yeah, I'll pop that down there so then you can have an idea, or put it in my thumbnail so that you have an idea, but I'm sure it's £78. But do I like the products? I do. I love Look Fantastic. It's one of my favourite, if not my favourite beauty box. I do really, really like it. The only things I've tried before is this oil, and I love it, and I think I've had these before. I'm sure I have, but in like a little bottle. But yeah, everything else is new to me. I haven't tried it. I can't wait to try this bee venom cleanser. Really, really can't wait. So yeah, some really lovely things there, and I think for £15 it's definitely worth it for me anyway. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you like the products? Is there anything that you don't like? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But before I say goodbye to you, I just wanted to say that I have got February's beauty box up for a giveaway. It's an international giveaway, so whoever wins will be picked from a random generator comment picker thingy. So yeah, so I'm going to be running this for a month, so a month from now. I'll put the details of the giveaway in my description as well, so if you can't remember what I'm saying, just have a look in the description. If you're interested in seeing the content, I put a photo up on Instagram which you can have a look there. But yeah, some really, really lovely products. It was a really nice box, so I thought I would do a little bit of a giveaway because I haven't done one for a little while. In order to enter, you have to have parental consent or carer's consent if you're under the age of 18. I want you to comment down below anything. Tell me something about the box for March. Tell me your thoughts about the box for March, and make sure you add how I can get in contact with you. So either a Instagram name or an email, something like that, so I'm able to easily find you and message you. Also, I want you to like my video and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and click the notification bells. If I've missed any details out, I'll pop it down in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, as always, it'd be great if you could subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.